Alright guys, so as you can see I've just put some masking tape there so we can differentiate between what has been foam cannoned and what hasn't. Alright, so this is all still just rinsed with the pressure washer only, no detergent. Okay, no detergent. Alright, so I'll spray it with the foam cannon, one side only, and we'll see how it pans out. Now this is what I'm using. Now I've got both versions of this. This is the Snow Plus, and then there's the regular Snow. Now this Snow Plus is a bit more, bit stronger. They reckon it's some call it a strip wash, but I wouldn't go that far. I don't think it is a strip wash, but it is definitely stronger. You can see here 1:10 ratio, which is what I've put into my snow cannon. Okay. Alright guys, as you can see I've cannoned one half of that back there. I'll come back in a few minutes and I'll pressure wash it off and we'll see if there's any difference. Alright guys, it's been 3 minutes. Alright, can we get in a bit closer? Alright, so let's see how it pans out. I'll start from the right side. This is the untreated side, and then I'll go over to that side. As you can see, it's not making much difference. Let's go over here. What's that? Alright guys, as you can see, it should be pretty clear that this side still dirty, this side 10 times better. Alright, it's not perfect, but it's 10 times better.